ServiceNow's day in the life of a system administrator. Let's talk about it.
Dear me, 3 to 6 months. Watch how I make you proud.
Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Xavier. This is TehcZavier, where I share my journey in tech, both on the career side and the education and learning side. This video is part of my ServiceNow CTA journey, where I share what I'm learning, my learning style, the effort that I'm putting in, and ultimately the results that I'm gaining in pursuit of the ServiceNow Certified Technical Architect credential. In today's video, I'm going to review the ServiceNow Day in the Life of a System Administrator course. I'm going to talk about what the course has to offer. I'll give you my impressions, I'll tell you what I learned, and what I think this course can do for your career. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So what is this course about? Before we get into the course itself, I want to mention that this is actually part of ServiceNow's new career journey resource. And this course in particular is part of the System Administrator career journey. Now, if you'd like to learn anything about the career journey, I'll put a video post above where you can reference that material. Now, the System Administrator career journey is one where it breaks up into multiple areas. You have associate, professional, and expert. And the content that we'll be focused on today comes from the associate system administrator path. This course is just a 4-minute video. So there's no activity, no tests, nothing that comes with that. It's just really a day in the life of a system administrator. The course is free, so there is no charge. And if I were to attach some keywords to this that really stood out to me, they would have to be things like oversight, maintenance, applications, learning opportunities, stakeholders, business, and I would say current state or current processes. Now, the course itself, it's 4 minutes, so I don't want to give too much away. But what I will say is that it's essentially split up into 2 parts. So part 1 is focusing on skills. And these are skills that either you may be coming into the role with already that are not necessarily ServiceNow specific, but they help you perform your day-to-day tasks. And then the other set of skills are the ones that you actually build while you're actually performing the work on a day-to-day basis. Now, it transitions into part 2, which tells you essentially how you can deploy those skills in various chunks of time throughout the day and as you're working with different teams. Now, I'm going to give you my honest take on the course. In terms of the delivery, the first section when they were talking about the skills, it sounded a little robotic. I'm not going to lie. It almost sounded like an AI voice that was leading me through this. And I was like, oh no, I don't know if I want to sit through this, even if it was 4 minutes. But as it transitioned to part 2, it got a lot easier to follow. Aside from that, I learned some really valuable information from this course. And it wasn't so much in terms of what you do as a system administrator, because I had a good sense of that. And administrating a platform is not new to me. But what is something that I was a little concerned with going into this role is I have to learn how to balance my time and chunk my day so that I can get the most out of new learning opportunities, staying up to date with different feature releases that ServiceNow has to offer, while also doing my regular day job and supporting end users. So time management was a big piece for me, and visually seeing how they broke that down throughout the day in the video really helped me think about, okay, how can I scale this to fit my actual role in my organization? And in terms of benefit for you, I really think that as someone who is going through this process, and potentially if you're going through the system administration path, this course will really assist you in getting your mindset right around what is the role of a system administrator in terms of the ServiceNow platform. And really, what does the ServiceNow platform have to offer for businesses? And what I can tell you is that an ITSM, or IT service management tool, is designed to help deliver essentially structure to an IT organization. So you have incident management, you have service request management, change management, problem management, major incidents, and you even have performance analytics and KPIs that people need to, see and understand how the IT organization as a whole, and that's not just the service desk, but other field techs, other system administrators, developers, all that stuff. How well are they providing services to end users? All that is measured through incident tracking and all that good stuff. So it's your job to make sure that all that's configured in a way where it brings important information to the surface at an easy to understand way. And the ServiceNow platform, a lot of its language and a lot of the roles and configurations you're doing are based on ITIL best practices. And ITIL is short for the Information Technology Infrastructure Library. It's a great certification to get, but even if you don't get it, you're going to learn about some of the key terms like stakeholders, service value chain, service value co-creation, just those different things that really inform the fact that at the end of the day, no matter how techy you are or not techy you are, it's about keeping things running, keeping the lights on, and ultimately either saving the organization money, especially if you're like a public organization, or making the company money if you are private. So thinking about that, I think will help you better prepare for the certification, because you'll understand the importance of an SLA. You'll understand the importance of writing the script or creating this flow or configuring a table a certain way or relating and referencing data in a specific way, because it's all about how that information is presented to the people that need it the most. All right, so that about does it for my take. I don't want to give you too much. Go ahead and check out the course. I'll link the course link above here, and I'll also have it in the description below, so definitely check that out. And if there's any other resources that I can think of, I'll definitely include those. But this, again, is a free course. I highly suggest that you take it. And what I will say is that if you have any concerns about doing this level of tech learning, don't worry about it. Everyone faces it. There's always something that's hard for someone. And I just want to encourage you to not be hard on yourself, just work hard on yourself. Use resources like this video, the video that I'm asking you to check out. Use the ServiceNow community, use LinkedIn community, ask a coworker, look at Reddit, wherever you need to go to find information, find it, and then do your best to apply it and learn that general new skill in terms of research and practical application of the things you need. My name is Xavier. This is TehcZavier, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.
Dear me, 3 to 6 months. Watch how I make you proud.